similar to many other different stick insects. Right now, this is a small baby. Okay. These ones can fly.
Your car in the parking lot, you have your car somewhere around here, in the way along the road. Perfect. So any moment.
All right. Yeah, we heard, and we also expected more rain.
Venga, camino. Dos. Dos freelance. Ajá.
Diba? Victor. Okay. Entonces son 3, 4, 5. My name is Michael. I'm gonna be your guide for the next couple hours. How are you doing today?
Good.
Ready for walking?
Yes.
Quite clear tonight. Normally at this time, quite dark. As we're going in the forest, we're gonna see how it changed. Normally when we're a little bit inside, it will take a moment, then it turns completely dark. It has a little stripe to put it on your hand. And you will probably notice that my flashlight compared to this ones are a little bit stronger. This is because it's a bit more professional to be looking around in the way.
Thank you.
In case someone's battery goes down, I have a little bit few more over here. Similar to many of the different stick insects, right now this is a small baby. He's going to be feeding itself. Someone was trying to eat it. You can see a little bit in the back abdomen.
Oh.
No. This is full size. I forgot to mention. These beetles, normally they start in a larva stage, well, egg larva. His is going to be his size. Beetles are quite interesting. They are decomposers. Big beetles, you will find them near big trunks, eating the parts of the decomposition part of the trunk. So really good on that process. And they do not gonna bite, anything like that, only if I press him. Of course, his legs has a little bit of hairs all the way around that is gonna help him to be attached to these superficies. You can see them around.
Oh, you're good. Oh.
These ones can fly.
Not bad.
Straight up to this one, bite it, paralyze it, and drag it in. Called orb weaver because there's like a little home, something like this, like a tunnel, right down there, where she's gonna grab it and drag it all the way back. There, she's gonna roll it on a little bit thick, okay, consume it right straight up. The vibration and she went inside. Don't worry, they are not bigger, most of the insects. Every time they mold skin, they were gonna get that darker coloration or brighter coloration depending on the different vegetation they feed on. This one's only feed on the leaves. That's one of the reasons I found him. Those are adults already, so they have the complete form. Insects that when they get their complete camouflage. Oh, you see my finger? Or the shadow right there, the tiny little ball.
This is some feather butt. So what, right? It's green. He's got like a green.
Sorry, they're called what?
Common bush tanager.
Bush tanager.
Yes.
Okay.
He's in one leg. When it's windier day, he's gonna be grabbed on both of the legs just to maintain balance.
That is not the correct way.
Yes.
Oh, there we go.
Sometimes they sacrifice themselves to disperse the eggs. They're gonna be exposing themselves, being eaten by a bird. Acids at the stomach of the bird will not affect the eggs.
They will take the egg inside. When the egg hatch, they already know which pheromones to throw to look like an ant. Looking for small trays of food. You see that puppy? That is one of the most incredible camouflages or grays to be seen. I would say that's a morph more than a cow.